Hi friends, welcome to C# tutorial. Now I am telling in this video how to insert data into that database by using the store procedure. Okay, before I am not telling about that concept, but now I am telling about that how to insert the data into that database by using the store procedure. Okay, so this store procedure is very important to handling that website or application, everything. Okay, so if you are using the store procedure, means it's very simple and fast to communicate with the system and that your application to database. Its transactions of speed is very high speed. Okay, the fraction of second it will be function, but C# is function but not that okay. And then also that store procedure is function into the database. Okay, so no character is not applied into that place. Okay, in that place not occur that. Okay, so any correction not occur in the database, but C# means some error occur. Okay, so like that you can using that what I'm telling. I think you understood overview, but you not understood means just I am doing here what is that and then how to do. Okay, so everything I am tell to here. See, please if you like this video means please subscribe me and share to your friends. Okay, why means what you learn that one everyone to learn. Okay, so that is my concept. Okay, that's one also important to learn. Okay, thank you sir. Okay, now let me start that store procedure, how to insert data using Windows application to database. Okay, so by using the store procedure. Okay, so this is the important concept. Why means, see, since this concept you can use many projects we can handle easily. Okay, so thank you. Now I'm started about that how to do. Okay, how to insert the data by using the store process. So I'm going to open that new Microsoft Visual Studio 2010. Okay, so this is the Visual Studio 2010 Ultimate I'm using here. Now I'm going to create new project. Okay, so new project, Windows application means new project. Okay, so web application means new project, but that web application website. Okay, so like that. Okay, now I'm going to create here. I'm changing that name. Okay, so just I'm here giving that one project name. What is that means? Just I'm declare student data. Okay, student data, like that, like this I'm declared here. Okay, so we are save in this E drive project folder. Okay, so this is new project, and I'm going to click the C# and then Windows form application. Okay, now I'm going to click OK. So the project open here, it will open. Okay, now it's open here. We need that some field here. Okay, so I have to create button like that. Okay, so I'm already created one project, so I am going to here, just copy this event. Okay, so this same event, but I am changing some field only. Okay, so just I'm going to change the student data, so paste here. Now I'm going to declare the title. So this time first of all I declare the title. Here I declare student data entry. Okay, this is my title. Okay, so we have to move this bottom. Okay, Now I have to change ID, student ID, not this winning not. So just I remove this, but I am declared here. Okay, this is not a product name, this is name I declared here, and change this one. I rename this. This is name, and then name, this is even winning not, so remove it. This one I am declared here. This name I am changing here. For further, and then declare this one. Okay, like this, and then also I am declared here classes, Control C and Control B. So this one I move here. Okay, I am changing to this name. Plus, okay, so like this I am declared here. Okay, thank you. Now this whole event, when I save, this whole event insert into the database. Okay, so by using store position, not using the C#, fully C#, it's depend upon the store position. Okay, so first I have to go to create the database to this project. Okay, so I am going to create one database. Just simple, go to right click that SQL Server command tool, and create new database. So in this new database I am creating database name. Okay, student student data, like this I am created. So here available row and then log file, and then both file available here. Okay, so this I am created here. Okay, it will be created here. Okay, so it will be created here. So I am going to right click, here not available any data table, so I have to create new table. Okay, what is the table means? See, I show to you. This is the 5 events available in this form. Okay, ID, name, father name, DOB, and the class. So these 5 events only. This is the for example only. By using this method, you can insert that anywhere, that point of sale system, any system. What you are doing, that much project, the type of project, you can use that like this store project. Okay, so this is a simple way, but it is the one of the best way. Okay, now I am tell about this. Okay, so this 5 event available. So this 5 event I am creating here. Okay, the ID, name, and then father name, and then date of birth, and then class. Okay, so just I have to go ID. Okay, ID I am declared in integer. Okay, integer, and then I am go to create name. This one is I am declared in var. Okay, var 15, and then I have to go to create further. Okay, further, and then this one also var, and then I have to go to create DOB, and then I have to go to declare date, simple date. Okay, and then class. class also declared in var. Okay, so this all the I already told you what is the data type. That one also I am already told you. Okay, now I am going to save this table. This is the table of student. Okay, student table. This is student table, and then click OK. So this table created here. See, it will be created. Just I am going to refresh. See, student came here. Okay, so now I am going to open this data. Here not available. Here everything null value only available. When I insert that data, that time only it will be created. Okay, so now I have to go to create the store procedure to this all the event. Okay, where I do create the, see, in this database available this table. So in this table available that store procedure, where means the programmability, and then here available store procedure, have to go to create new store procedure. Okay, so just I go to this event, we need not just remove. Here I am using student data entry. Okay, so student data, this is my database. Okay, so this name I am using here. Okay, student data. I am just to call this project name here, database name here, and then I have to go to create procedure name also. We need not this, and then procedure name. Okay, procedure name, what I have to create means procedure name. Okay, procedure name means first you have to create angular bracket, DO, okay, and then dot. Procedure name means procedure insert. Okay, what is this? Student insert. Okay, insert. So like this I am declared that procedure name. Okay, now I am created here, and then also we need not this. This is it. No count now on. Okay, so this is we need not. This one also we need not, and then I have to create that procedure in this field only. Okay, I have to declare the procedure in this field only. Okay, so begin and then end. This between gap, in this between gap we have to create declare insert. Sorry, okay, so that procedure I am declared here. So insert into what is the table name? Student. Okay, so insert into table student, that ID I have to. Okay, so what is the table element? The columns, the column available here, ID name for the DOB and then class. So this all element I have to declare here. Okay, so student, first of all I have to create ID, comma, name, comma, father, comma, and then DOB, comma, and then file class. Okay, and then I have to declare that values. Okay, values. Okay, values means, see, in this place you have to listen carefully. Okay, I am declared here values. Okay, values means which value we have to declare. So we are using in this place text box in C#. Okay, the text box value only I am declared. So whenever you calling the text box of string directly inserting into the columns of database. Okay, so like this we all are done in that C#, but we are using here store procedure. Okay, so we can't directly call this all the text box event. Okay, this is that framework of C#. Okay, but this is the database of store procedure. Okay, so how to call that framework from Windows application to this database means, see, we have to call that parameters. Okay, what is the parameters? See, when you are using add, that time you declare that one ID. So ID I am declared here. So when you are using that add, that is that parameter. Okay, ID I am declared in int. See, I am declared in ID equal to int. Okay, in this database, and the name, comma name shift add, I am using the name parameter. Okay, so name, this one I am declared varchar. Okay, varchar 50, shift out varchar, and then this one also varchar 50, comma, and then DOB, this one I am declaring date, comma, and finally I am declare class. This one also varchar. Okay, I also declare that 50. Okay, finally we can't declare that comma. Okay, if you have declared here comma means it will be occurred one error. See, like this. So we have to remove this comma finally, but before you should declare that everything comma. Okay, so this all event I am called to in this place. Okay, so first I am using ID, so that ID parameter I am called to this place. Okay, so just call this ID, comma name, shifted name, and then comma shifted father, and then comma shifted DOB, and then comma shifted class. Okay, like this you can declare. Okay, so like this you can declare. So this is that now I am but I am declared now. Here I am declared that procedure. So like this we have to declare. Okay, so end program it will be go means automatically it will be run. So first of all we have to create this. Okay, so I have to go to save. Here save means I am declared here student. I have to declare the name to this project, student insert. Okay, so this is the name of store procedure. So this, okay, so just import this, close this, and then reconnect this database, and then connect. So see, now came this procedure. Student data, and then programmability, and then store procedure. In this store procedure, student insert. So this is student insert. Here came, but what is that? Connect, reconnect, I'm here, connect. So now it will be same thing. insert into student. Okay, insert into student. This is a student table. So student data. Insert into student data. This is the database. Okay, student data. Okay, use this student data. So in this student data I am created this table, and then I also created that store procedure. Okay, so just I am going to rerun this. Just I am 1 minute. Control A. Now I am going to close it. Now I rerun this. Now it will be open. So we have database connection open here. It's a simple problem. So when I open this, at times some problem occur. I don't know, we have to resolve this problem. Okay, so this is not a major problem. It's a minor problem. Just I'm connected means it will be open here. So I have to go to database, student data, and then program T, and then store procedure, new procedure. So student insert control S. This name is just to copy, and control S. Now control B. Now I am going to save it. It will be saved. Now I rerun connect. Student program T. So this table available, and then column also available. Okay, so like this we can create it, and then I have to go to alter my control is create. I like this declared here. Okay, control S, and execute this. Now it will be executed. Now I go to refresh, and then database, and then student data, and then program T, and store procedure. So it will become. Okay, we have to execute this. Okay friends, now I got it this one. So now I go to Windows form. Okay, in this Windows form I have to double click this save button. Here you should declare that SQL client we have to call here. Okay, we have to call here using system dot data.sql client. Okay, we have to declare this one. So what is the reason? I already told you in before concept, and I have to call that connection. Okay, connection of SQL connection. This is equal to new SQL connection. in this SQL connection we have to declare that database. See, I have to call that I have to connect that database. What is it? Add connection student. What is the student data? Student data. I think the database name. Okay, so the database name I have to call here. Okay, so student data available here. Okay, and then click OK. Here I call this connection string available in this property. So this connection string, C connection string, I have to double click this, Control A, Control C. So to call this to this place. So here error available. Why means it's a interface relation. So that is the purpose. I have to declare this front slash double time. Okay, so this is correct way to run that project. Okay, and then also I have to go to declare that SQL data adapter equal AA equal to new SQL data adapter. I finish it. Here between I am declared that I have to call that a procedure name. What is that procedure name? So see here, insert students insert. This is the procedure name. So this procedure students insert I have to call to that place. Okay, so just to copy this and then go to declare in the C# place, Control B. So just I am going to remove this bracket, angle bracket we need not, the square bracket. Okay, and then also give comma, and then what is that connection means? SQL connection WS. Okay, fine. Now and then go to call that AA dot SQL data adapter dot selected command dot command type. Okay, command type equal command type dot store procedure. Why means we are using the store procedure, so that is the reason I am declared the store procedure. Okay, now AA dot select command dot parameters dot add dot value equal text box 1 dot text. Why I am declared here text box 1 dot text means here I am declared that parameter ID. See, this is that parameter, so ID parameter. What is that ID parameter I am using? This ID parameter I am declared to this ID, the name column declare what you are declared in that name, that one goes to. So if a text box 1, text box 2, text box 3, text box 4, text box 5, so like this I am declared means this what I am declared in this text box, that one inserted into this column. Okay, so directly in this database it will be there, but here not available text box. We have directly we have not called to we can't call that text box directly to that database. Okay, so this parameter only we can call. Okay, so this is that important notes. Okay, so this parameter I am calling to that C#. Okay, so at ID. Okay, this is at ID. How to call this parameter to the C# means, see, this is at means that the parameter. Okay, so I am called this procedure name, this one. Okay, so this procedure name I am declared in this place. Okay, see, data type is called store procedure. So store procedure means what I am declared the store procedure, that one I am called, that one I am declared here. So the store procedure directly functions here. Okay, so this all event function like this only. Okay, so now we have to go to declare that parameter ID. Okay, we have to call that parameter ID. So how to do that call? Okay, so I am going to call that parameter. How to do that one? So with data type also. Okay, shifted ID comma SQL data type dot SQL data type dot we have to declare that int or something. Okay, so this time go to data type int. Okay, so like this we have to declare SQL data type like this. Okay, so like this we have to declare. So shift row, control C, control Z. Now I am going to 5 so we need 5 for 5. Okay, so this is what I am declared here. This is ID equal text box 1, text box 2, text box 3, 18 figure 1, and text box 4. Okay, so like this. So that is the reason I have to declare here text box 1, text box 2, and then text box 3, and then we have to declare here datetime picker. Okay, so just to remove this all datetime picker dot value dot to string. Okay, like this we can declare, and this is text box 4. Okay, so this all event I have to call here. Okay, what is that event means? See, I am just calling here name and then father and then DOB and then class. So this all the parameter I have to call in this place. So just I am go to declare here name and then father and then DOB and finally class. So this text box value I am get to in this parameter function to this store procedure. This store procedure, what is the store procedure means? The store procedure go to the student class. So this student class declare into this in this store procedure. So in this store procedure function, that parameters, all the parameters are called to this place, that parameter are called to it, so directly it will be inserted into that database. Okay, so here I am declare that int varchar date varchar, so I have to change that here also. So it's int, but this one varchar 50. Okay, so just I have to go to varchar comma 50. Okay, like this we have to declare. So just I will copy this event and then control C, here also control B, and here also control B, but here not like that. Here declare date. Okay, so like this we have to declare. Okay, now I go to control S. Now I am going to run this project, control F5. So before I have to show that one. What is that means? I am go to table, student table. In this table, student table, I am show to that data. Okay, so this is data, simple empty data only available. Okay, so just I am go to execute, so available empty data only. Now I have go to run this project. So just control F5, the project will be open. Now I am going to declare the first record and the name is ROMs, and then further is since. So date of birth like this one default date of birth, and then class is first standard. Okay, first standard. Okay, so just I go to save, it means it will be saved. So I didn't find, you have to find this one, means just you have to go to declare the message box. So just to remove this, and then I have to, one important thing I have to declare here. So this one I have to execute here. Okay, so first of all I have to go to the a dot select command dot execute null query. Okay, this is the important to final touch of C#, and then message box also we need message box dot show here and declare saved successfully. Okay, so like this and declare the message. Now I am going to run it. Control F5. Now I am going to declare that first record, and then second I am going to declare some student. What is that student means? Raj, and then father. Father, I am going to declare father. Sam, and then class first. Okay, first standard. So like this I am declared. Okay, first standard. Okay, so just I am going to declare means, so this message before we got execute query or available open available the connection and strip is closed. Okay, so continue. So what is that means? We have to open that connection. So just go to then give here this is dot open connection, open and finished. And then also I have to go to connection, this is dot close. Okay, like this we have to declare. Now I am going to control F5. Now I am going to declare first record, and then here declare the watch, and then here declare the Sam, and then here declare the first standard. Okay, so this time go to declare, so saved successfully. Okay, so just click OK. Now I am going to show this record in the place show table data. So here available Raj. See, this is first record. Okay, like this insert that. Okay, so I am going to show here. This is student database, and then data table. This student data table. I am going to rows, edit the rows. So available first record. So you have to create second record, means I am just to go to declare second record Rajan, and then Somraj. This is the 10th standard. Okay, 10th standard. Now I am going to click save, means it will be saved. So I have to go to show it, just to go to execute. So second record open Somraj like this. Okay, so like this you can using this insert, update, delete everything by using this code project. You can use and then to everyone project of Windows application, anything you can use. But when you are using that store project, that time you can easy handle the project. Okay, easy way. This is the easy way and simple way. Okay, like this. But if you are using the C# only, means anyone can hack your project, everything, website also. But when you are using the store procedure, that time your project or your website, anyone, okay, can't hacking. Okay, can't hack anyone. Okay, so that is the important reason to create store procedure using the store procedure. Okay friends, thank you. If you have learned any concept, just comment to me and I will teach to you, and then subscribe and share it. Okay, and then also you can tell to you on important news. Please click that bell, okay, notification bell, okay, what I'm regularly upload, that you can learn. Okay, thank you friends, thank you, bye from now.